Hey, and welcome to the Waves tutorial. Waves is a one-handed cut based on the thumb cut, but it's done in a continuous movement, so it kind of looks like a wave. I do this move all the time because it's very easy to combine it with a lot of other moves, especially one-handed moves. It's pretty cool, so let's learn it. So to do waves, you want to begin off in a dealer's grip and then move into a thumb cut position by pushing the deck up with these four fingers and then gripping the deck like so. You want to grip the deck in this area with your thumb, and then from here you want to move your middle finger and ring finger up here and split off a small packet and drop it into the palm of your hand. And then push down with your ring finger so that it gets into this kind of position, sort of like a scissor cut position. Your index finger is now in between these two packets, and then you want to move your index finger up here towards your thumb and then split off a small packet like so. And then move your thumb and index finger away from each other, and then this area right here should sort of pop out of place as you move your thumb away from your index finger, like so. And the packet should fall down in this position, resting on your index finger, like so. Now you basically want to do the exact same thing as you did in the beginning, making sure that the middle packet squares up with this packet right here. So it'll look like this as you go up here and grab another packet and open up with your thumb. Right now you actually have four packets at play, but as you move your thumb away and your index finger, just like you did before, this packet should align down here, or these two packets should align. And then you can just continue doing the exact same thing as you did before until you're left with only one packet, and you can just bring that to the bottom, and that is waves.